so humbly grateful to all my fans who went and copped the cookbook vinyl. Now, I know a lot of y'all was like, yo, Miss, can I get a signature on my vinyl or something? So I hit up the label. I was like, let me get 3,000 covers, and I'm going to sign all 3,000. Now, y'all that already copped the vinyl, I'm going to make sure that y'all get it, so don't worry. Those who haven't, make sure that y'all get y'all so y'all get y'all signed one too. And I love y'all. And this no trickery stuff, no stamping. I am signing all 3,000 myself because I am so grateful for y'all. I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for y'all continuous support. Mwah.
I love Missy. I love her. So that's what we're getting into right now. I am about to unbox the cookbook vinyl. Yes, you heard it here first. And I am praying this is the autographed version of it. So let's go. Okay. I need scissors. Okay. So I have to get my box cutter. You know what it is. Every time you see this box cutter, it's going down. Okay. Remember, cut away from yourself, not at yourself. Okay. A little ASMR. Yeah. Here we go. Okay. Here we go. Oh, snap. Can you guys see it? Can you guys see it? Ooh. Oh, that's a receipt. Okay. Here we go. Here we go. Wow. All right, let me get the receipt away. Here, let me open this so you guys can see it properly. Let me open this so you guys can see this properly. That's like a boomerang. It's the cookbook. Oh. All right, you see it? You see what it is? We got the vinyl. The biggest song off of this album, Lose Control. We all know that one. It's still going hot in rotation right now as we speak on TikTok and Instagram. People are still dancing to Missy's videos. They're still dancing to her music. I just love Missy. I really want to build up my vinyl collection because of this, but this is just the start. I'll put that right here. Put that right there. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, next. Okay, next. The moment of truth. Ooh. Let's go. For my ASMR folks. Took longer than expected. Okay. Ooh. Oh my goodness. It's blank. Just kidding. Not me holding a piece of art autographed by Missy Elliott. What? Oh my God, Missy Elliott touched this. She signed it. Yeah, I felt her presence. I felt it. I felt it. I was just like, I can't stand the rain. Wow. This is so cool. I'm not gonna hold you. This is really cool. Like, I don't know if you can see it in my smile. Like I'm pretty sure my gums are showing. It's like it's that big of a smile. So we got the vinyl, and now we got the autograph. Ooh, I need a frame. I might have to take out a diploma and put this in there instead. Oh, this is so cool. Oh man, thank you so much, Missy Elliott. I love it. I will always support whatever she is doing in life, whether it's producing, writing, rapping, singing, doing nothing. I support anything and all that Missy Elliott does. I love you so much, and I thank you so much for being such a huge inspiration in my life and the decades of great music, entertainment, dance moves, all of it. And she's not wrong when she says she is respected. I have so much respect for her as a creative, as a person, as an artist, as a genius. Shout out to Missy Elliott. Like, okay. I'm gonna go have a photo shoot with this autograph picture now. M.E. That's so tight. That's so tight. Go stream her music. Go play some Missy Elliott. Go clean the house. Go exercise. Go create a dance routine. Go write your papers. Go work to it. Work it. Go lose control. And go get this album. It's on vinyl. If you have a record player, order it. Let's go. Thank you for watching. It's your girl Lils, aka Lily Like the Flower. Thank you again for watching. This is FIYAH Life, and I'm out.